Hello there and welcome to my guide for painting the goblins from the Heroquest starter set. If you like this guide and you find it useful, please give the channel a subscribe, the video a like, and well, we'll crack straight on. As you can see, the very first thing I've done is sprayed them with some matte white spray from Colourforge. Colourforge do the best sprays on the market. I'm not sponsored, but I wholeheartedly recommend them over every other sprays out there. I will kick things off properly by painting their skin to begin with, and we're going to use some Orruk Flesh. Then, to give it some depth and a little bit of extra layers, we're going to be using some Athonian Camoshade just to wash all of that green. Once that's dried, we're then going to go ahead and relayer the Orruk Flesh, taking a lot of care to avoid any of the recesses and to keep all of that lovely shading. And then to give it one highlight, I'm going to use a 50-50 mix of Wraithbone and Orruk Flesh, just to highlight the more exposed areas, such as the tips of noses, the points of the ears, and the knuckles. Then I'm going to start working on their cloth, and for that I'm going to use some black Templar contrast paint. And while that wash dries, I'm going to paint the inside of their ears with some Bugmans Glow. And then to add some depth to that, we're going to wash it with some Reikland Fleshshade. Once the black Templar has dried, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it all with some Eshin Grey, making sure I avoid any of the recesses. I'll then follow that up with some Mechanicus Standard Grey as an edge highlight. All the leather and the straps are going to be painted the same colour, and I'm also going to paint the hats of the goblins that have hats, and I'm going to use some Mournfang Brown. I'm then going to paint their teeth with some Wraithbone, and I'll also pick out the little tufts of fur that are on their armbands, some of them are on their leg bands, and I'll pick out the stitching on their hats. And then for any silver, I'll be using some Leadblecher. Finally, some of the goblins have got a little bit of jewellery, so for that I'm going to paint it gold with some Retributor Armour. I'll then wash all of those colours, starting from the Mournfang Brown, with some Agrax Earthshade. Once that wash is dried, we're going to go back to the Mournfang Brown and give that a relayer just to lighten up the colours. Make sure you avoid all of the recesses, though. We want to keep that lovely shading. We'll then follow that up with an edge highlight of Skrag Brown. Then moving back to the silver, for that we're just going to simply relayer the Leadblecher. With the weapons, do a quick edge highlight down the side of the blades and the blade itself. Then we're going to relayer the Wraithbone for the teeth and the fur. This will then be followed by an edge highlight of matte white on the fur and just painting the tips of the teeth. I'm then going to paint the eyes with some Mephiston Red, as goblins generally have little red beady eyes. And then we're going to do a little dot of Evil Sunz Scarlet right at the front of the eye to represent their pupils. You can do a lighter colour if you wish, something like Troll Slayer Orange would also look quite nice. All that's left now is the bases, and for that I'm just going to use some Abaddon Black. And with that, that's these goblins done. Nice, quick, and easy. Take no time at all. They're so fast, they came in roughly about 3 hours for all 6. However, I would advise giving them a quick once over before you spray them all up with a hobby knife, just to get rid of all those mold lines. I completely forgot to do that in all my excitement for painting them, and unfortunately we've got a few hands that have some ugly mold lines on there. Not too much of a problem though. That's just part and parcel of not paying attention when you're too excited about getting stuff done. If you follow this guide, I do hope you found it useful, and if you want to see more, there's more on the channel. We've got more Heroquest on the way, and we've got more Heroquest on the actual channel as well. Plus, we've got many other games: Warhammer 40,000, Age of Sigmar, The Old World, Marvel Crisis Protocol, Star Wars Shatterpoint, all sorts of good stuff. Just have a peruse at your leisure, and I'll see you later. Goodbye for now.